In this problem, the graph of the log function is given. Select a function for each graph from the following options. Now let's first look at our basic function, f of x. And get my pen to work. There it goes. F of x is equal to log base 2 of x. Now we don't have a base 2 button on our calculator, so we're going to use a change of base to rewrite this. This will become log x over log 2. Remember, whatever follows a log is what goes up on top, and whatever your base is what goes down below. Now the benefits now is we just rewrote it in terms of base 10, which we do have a base 10 button. So let's go graph this, and actually I already have it in there, but let me do it over. Press y equals, press clear. I'll do log x, closing parentheses, divided by log 2, closing parentheses, and then graph. Now this is what our basic function looks like. Passes through x equals 1, looks like. Okay, well, we want to see which one this matches. Well, it looks like it's been flipped across the y-axis and then flipped across the x-axis. For example, if I start out with this graph, use your imagination. Goes down forever like that. If I flip it across the y-axis, reflect it across the y-axis, it would look something like this. And then, if I flipped it across the x-axis, then it would, well, you can use your imagination, but it would look something like that, which is what this graph looks like. So it looks like it's not only been reflected, flipped across the y-axis, but then it's been flipped across the x-axis, reflected across there. Now what causes that is if you have a negative out in front, that flips it across the x-axis. If you have a negative inside with the x, then flips across the y-axis. So m of x is our answer, because it flips it across both of them.